Kadu, that is, who has been hosted this lunch program. I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Minister, Sriman P.D. Sonaji, Honorable MLA Sri Tojir Kaduji, ZPC Lower Siang, most respected ZPM Koyu, most respected and learned Deputy Commissioner, along with him Superintendent of Police Lower Siang, and all the officers, officials, and PRIs to this small lunch program, or we can say kind of outdoor lunch at Picture Point. So having said that, we have just small presentation time which has been prepared by the two villages, that is Kavuripo and Kadu. With immense pride and joy, I warmly welcome to our beloved Honorable Minister Sriman P.D. Sonaji, Minister to Education, RWD, Tourism, Parliamentary Affairs and Libraries on his maiden visit to the beautiful land of Koyu Circle under Lower Siang District. Sir, this land of warm heart, rich culture and hard-working people feels truly blessed by your presence here today. Honorable Sir, you are leader admired for your simplicity, visionary for brighter Arunachal, and dynamic force of inspiring every corner of our state. On behalf of the people of Koyu Circle, I offer you our heartfelt welcome. Saying this, it is my honor to invite you to please stand on your feet and to accept a small token of love that has been prepared by the two villages. May I request our Honorable Minister P.D. Sona Sir to please stand on your feet and accept the small token of love that has been prepared by the two village youths of Kavuripo and Kadu. And to do this honor, may I request our Honorable MLA Madam Rizuna Kadu to do the honor to our Honorable Minister. Madam Rizuna Kadu, Madam Rizuna Kadu, wherever you are, youth of two villages, that is Kavuripo and Kadu. Due to lack of time and time constraint, we could not do much, but we have a big love and our heart is very big, but we couldn't see the love that we have for you. So this is just a small token of love from our side. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister, for accepting the small token of love from our side. At this moment, I would like to sincerely acknowledge and appreciate our dynamic and most dedicated Honorable MLA Sri Tojir Kaduji, whose tireless efforts and strong commitment have made this historic visit of Honorable Minister to this Koyu Circle and the entire 36 Nari Koyu possible. Honorable Sir, your constant dedication to the welfare and development of your people truly reflects your leadership and vision. So it's my honor to invite you to please stand on your feet and accept the small token of love that we have been prepared. May I request Honorable MLA Sri Tojir Kaduji to please stand on your feet, and to do this honor, may I request Nyangam Kai to do the honor to our beloved Honorable MLA Sri Tojir Kaduji. Our Honorable MLA, one of the finest MLA which we have got in 36 Nari Koyu, and we are privileged to have you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And we are also privileged to have, I would like to request the better half of our Honorable MLA, Sri Tojir Kaduji, Madam Rizuna Kadu, who is truly proving that behind every successful man there is a woman. So we could not forget our beloved Madam Rizuna Kadu. मैडम आपका जो एफर्ट है फॉर दिस लंच प्रोग्राम, मैडम कल के दिन भी हमारे साथ यहाँ पे रात के 10 बजे तक बिताए हैं। यहाँ का कैसा चल रहा है, मौसम थोड़ा ठीक नहीं था तो जिसके कारण मैडम काफ़ी परेशान थे। कल के दिन 6-7 बार यहाँ पर आए हैं। मैडम का जो एफर्ट हम उसे यूं ही जाने नहीं दे सकते हैं। तो डू दिस ऑनर में रिक्वेस्ट कैन यू काइट Thank you so much, Madam Rizuna Kadu, who is the better half of our Honorable MLA, Sri Tojir Kaduji. जितने भी अब तक सक्सेस हमारे जिले में हो रहे हैं, तो इसके हमारे मैडम के काफी बड़ी हाथ हम कहा जाएंगे। एक जोरदार तालियां हमारे रीना मैडम के लिए। We have a newly elected young and energetic with a visionary leader. We have been lucky to get this year. So we have Honorable JPC Lower Siang. Sir Pang Mokoyo is also present in our midst. May I request Sir Nochin Ayahila Tagrapla, Munka Anina Amanamne, Exat Jilaka. To do this honor, may I request the PLC President Taburi Dojo Kai to do the honor to our Honorable JPC Lower Siang. As we told, हमारे टाइम के कमी होने के कारण we want to do so many things, but हमारे टाइम के जो कमी होने के कारण हम कुछ बड़ा मैनेज नहीं कर पाए हमारे काबुल रिपो यूथ और काबुल यूथ की ओर से। Thank you so much, Sir Pangmo Koyu, and we have a young and energetic and newly ZPM of Koyu Circle, Sir Nyachi Koyu, who is one who is hosting today's event. So I request Sir Nyachi Koyu to please stand on your feet and accept the token of love from our side. To do this honor, may I request 8GB of Taburipo, Abu Ibi Kai, to do the honor to our respected ZPM, Sir Nyachi Koyu. Thank you so much, ZPM Koyu. I request Pangman Koyu to please come here. Pangman Kai, Nohog Ajlaka, Nachogo. And next we have one of a beautiful lady. This year our people have been elected. That is Madam Mikul Toy, ZPM Seren Circle, New Seren Circle. May I request ZPM Madam to please accept the small token of love which have been prepared by our team. Naruo Irgaba Chipo Gila Joka. Thank you so much, respected ZPM New Seren Circle, who is one of the most active women we have got this year. And we have a most respected and learned Deputy Commissioner, Sir Gobi Nigyorji, is present in our midst. So may I request Sir to please kindly stand on your feet and to accept the small token of love that we have been prepared. And to do this honor, may I request Nyangam Kai. This is our newly transferred Deputy Commissioner of Luar Siang, Sir Gobi Nigyor. Thank you so much, sir. And